Hi, my name is Chris Thorson. I'm Director of Product Marketing for Polycom Spectralink wireless telephones. Today what I'd like to do is share with you about how our Polycom Spectralink wireless telephones can integrate with applications such as real-time location services to help improve productivity in your organization. Now, when we talk about improving productivity in this case, we're really talking about finding people and finding assets much quicker than you can just by walking around and looking for those people and assets. A couple different examples where you may use this. First, in a healthcare facility, a nurse may need to find the nearest IV pump or wheelchair, or even find the nearest doctor. In some place like a education environment, like a K through 12 school, you may have a shared resource such as a audio-visual cart that's shared throughout the facility, and you may only have 2 or 3 of those, and you want to find the nearest one, find out which room it's in, and be able to walk directly over and find that asset. Or you may even have something that are security personnel. This could be across the board, and whether it's manufacturing or hospitality types of environment, where you may have an alert or an alarm that goes off, and you want to notify the nearest security person so that they can walk right over and address that issue and find out what's going on in the environment. Now, in order to deploy a solution like this, you need several components. Let me first run through what those components are before I show you the demo. First of all, you need the voice over wireless LAN telephone. Here we've got a Spectralink 8020 wireless telephone. We've also got a Spectralink 8030 wireless telephone. These have been enabled with software that allows them to talk to the location services engine. These devices run over 802.11 Wi-Fi standard networks, and it's because that we're operating on a Wi-Fi standard network that we're able to do advanced services such as this. Second, you have these location tags. These are Wi-Fi devices that are also talking to the in-building network, and those devices can be affixed to physical equipment such as the computer here or a computer on wheels, and those are going to be talking to the network, telling it where they are located. You've also got devices such as this that employees that don't carry wireless telephones may be carrying around their neck so that they can be tracked and located and respond to the network. Next, you've got the network itself. You've got 802.11a, b, g, or even 802.11n wireless networks that you're connected to. It's very important that these wireless networks have zones of overlapping coverage so that I can see multiple access points, and that's really going to be how we triangulate the location of these other endpoint type of devices. The fourth component is we've got a application gateway server. That gateway device is really going to provide the interface between the wireless telephones and the location services engine. And finally, the location services engine is being run on this laptop for our demonstration purposes today, and that's going to be doing a lot of the computational work to locate the devices. The devices are simply sending their information up to the location services engine. It's interpreting based on that information where those particular devices are based on what they see. So let's get to the demo. Let's show you how this all works when we put it together. So if we pick up our phone, we say this is our nurse phone. What we've got is this nurse phone is being simulated by a nurse moving around through my location services engine today. So as that nurse moves around the facility, I'm simulating this particular wireless telephone. So now let's say that nurse needs to find the nearest pump. All they need to do is simply go off hook, press our function key. Now they get a menu that says, oh, I need to find the nearest wheelchair, IV pump, security, nurse, or even doctor here as I scroll down the line. So let's say I want to go find the nearest IV pump. So I press the OK button and it says locating nearest 2 pumps, and it returns, it says, oh, I've got one IV pump that's located in the northeast hallway. I've got a second IV pump that's located in the southwest or southeast hallway. So they can simply walk over to that device now, rather than having to hunt and search for where that is. Alternatively, let's say I wanted to locate a given person. So once again, I can scroll down here and say, oh, I need to find the nearest doctor. It says locating nearest doctor, and it says the doctor currently is in the west hallway. So that's how I would go from an end user standpoint. What's going on is they're just simply sending a request saying, I know where I am at, I know where that nearest device is because it's tagged with a particular tag, and the location services engine is putting 2 and 2 together and saying, this is where you are, this is where that tag is, and here's how you go, here's where you can find them. For more advanced applications, instead of a As text interface, we could use a speech interface to simply speak the name of, or speak the name of the device or the name of the person that I want to be connected to. It would locate me, it would locate that nearest person, just serve as a different input command to the location device, and it would respond in a text format or respond in an audio format. So a couple of different ways that this technology can be used. So to summarize, once again, you can find people, find assets much quicker than you can by hunting around throughout the environment. This can be used in a multitude of vertical markets, from healthcare to retail to manufacturing to education. I hope this has been educational to you today, and if you need more information or want to learn about more applications that you can use with your Spectralink wireless telephones, please go to our website at www.polycom.com and look under the voice and wireless section to find and learn more about our solutions. Thanks very much for spending your time today, and have a great day.